The perfect Bitcoin retest is happening right now, and the targets are massive here. We are seeing some volume kicking in the market once again, and we are seeing some nice development. But what are my next plans for trades for Bitcoin? The USDT dominance is on the edge of breaking down, which is massive and will cause for a major money flow back in crypto. We will dive into that and way more in today's video, but first of all, I would really appreciate you to follow me over on X and to subscribe over on my YouTube channel. And let's dive right away into the chart for now, because what we can see here is a massive pattern on the 3 days time frame. What we can see here is a major resistance line, but a really important thing here is that we are seeing an inverse head and shoulders pattern. Normally, I don't talk about patterns like this. Why? Because price action is way more important than these patterns. But what does indicate a inverse head and shoulders pattern? That is a momentum, a trend shift. So what are we seeing? We are creating with a head a lower low, and with the right shoulder we are creating a higher low. And if we break that higher low towards the upside, we're creating a new higher low again. First a higher high and then a higher low again, and that means that we are trending in an uptrend, and this is really important to understand. So I'm not trading the inverse head and shoulders pattern, but I'm trading the trend shift towards the upside, and that is exactly what is happening right now. Because if we look, we saw a breakout towards the upside, a perfect retest. What happened with the trend? We created a higher high, higher low. After that we created a higher high once again, and right now we are retesting it once again above this low, which is pretty important to hold, and then a higher low confirmed and push further towards the upside. That is exactly what I am expecting here. And of course we have those targets on the inverse head and shoulders pattern, but if we can support here on the lower side and push further towards the upside, I really think that a 200,000 Bitcoin is really in the making for the upcoming months. Right now, everyone is still in fear, but the perfect retest is here. And we really think, and I really think, that the rally towards the upside is tend to happen after this support. Of course, we also have something important to keep in mind. There is laying much liquidity below this low. So it is possible to take that out before the next leg towards the upside, trick everyone in short moves, then move the price towards the upside. So for now, I'm really keeping my eyes very, very close on this old resistance support line, because this is a perfect setup to trade a massive move towards the upside. Then if you look at the lower time frame for Bitcoin, we can see that we are finally hitting some volume. And what is really interesting, if you look at the silver chart, silver started dumping yesterday, and that is exactly when Bitcoin spiked towards the upside, and it is a really important correlation you need to look out for right now, because this was the first thing that I was looking at. Silver was going down, Bitcoin went up, and that is exactly what we were predicting here. Then, right now, we are finally breaking and gaining resistance, which is massive. So for now, we gained this resistance. We are perfectly retesting it. You could long the market here, but it will be pretty risky. We have much resistance above us. So for me, what I am doing personally is I want to see a break of this level, because we can reject this high still, and that means that you will get stopped out of your trade. If we break this towards the upside, the trade will be a little bit more clear, and it will be looking like this towards the upside, and the blue zones, the liquidity zone. So for now, I am not opening a position here. It could be, if you want to have a risky trade, please keep in mind that it is risky, so don't risk your whole account on that trade. What I am doing is waiting for another leg towards the upside, and on that retest, I'm opening up a long position. If we are rejecting it, we will still be able to buy crypto and Bitcoin at the lower side. But for now, this move really look like with volume, and this breakout looks very clear, but only one resistance away for the next leg towards the $93,000. If you want to trade those moves by yourself, please make sure to sign up on WeX through the link in the description, the second link in the description. to have the best trading circumstances, the best trading fees. And one really important thing, that if you sign up right now, because we had 500 subscribers, Weex will give away 1000 USDT trading bonus to one of you guys, and we will roll the giveaway at 2 January. So till then you have the time to sign up on Weex through the link in the description and subscribe over on my YouTube channel, and we will give away 1000 USDT trading bonus to one of you guys on the 2nd of January. With that, if you follow my setups, you would easily make thousands of dollars in January here. If you want to see what I am doing in the market, please make sure to join my free Telegram group at the first link in the description, and you can always follow me over on X. Then, if we look at the USDT dominance, this is a really important dominance. Why? The USDT dominance indicates how much stable coins there are in the market. And you could know, the more stable coins they're at, the less money there is in crypto, which will cause for a dump, etc. So this is the chart you really want to see going down instead of breaking out. Right now we are sitting at massive resistance here, and this was a turning point for almost 4 times here for the USDT dominance. After that, USDT dominance tend to go to the lower side of the range, and that will cause for a major money flow back in crypto. And then Bitcoin, crypto, everything will pump. For now, it is pretty important to see a breakdown of the USDT dominance to see the money rotating back in crypto. But also really important to keep in mind, we are at a risk point here. If we break towards the upside, gain and push out of this range, perfectly retesting it, that will not be good for Bitcoin and for crypto on its whole. That is something you really want to keep in mind. Of course, we can grab some liquidity, but we need to see sell pressure towards the downside. If we break out and it is really powerful, that could mean that stablecoins are not done yet, and we will see a next leg towards the upside, probably towards this region, and that will cause for a major dump in crypto and Bitcoin once again. So please keep that in mind. Also, if you look at on-chain data, we can see that whales are back accumulating Bitcoin. Of course, you all know how important it is for whales to get in Bitcoin, to buy Bitcoin. Eventually, after that, a big pump followed. Every single time whales kept buying Bitcoin, in the upcoming months and weeks, Bitcoin went up every single time. And right now, the buyers are back, so this is the best signal you could get. Also, like I said in yesterday's video, we formed a low, but there is too much fear in the market still, and people are still longing the market, and that's not what we want to see at a low here. But it is really good to see that we are accumulating at these lows, because that will especially with whales be very important to set a really good bottom. And people don't understand it, but it is really important to set a good bottom. What does that mean? That if we tap in, pump immediately towards the upside, there are too much orders below these lows that institutions want to get filled. If they fill all their orders here in the low, whales are accumulating everything they want. They have the time to accumulate. They don't want to push the price lower because they're not even buying here. Then they push the price higher. If they need to buy more and we push the price higher, we will probably go down once again. But for now, the low looks pretty good here. And also pretty good to see that big entities are entering the market here at such a low price. That was it for today's video. Please make sure to follow me over on X, and I would really appreciate you guys to subscribe over on my YouTube channel and like this daily update video, and I'll see you tomorrow by a brand new Crypto Daily Update video.